When you watch YouTube on your TV, you get the full experience of YouTube on the big screen. There are two ways you can watch YouTube on your TV. The first way is directly from the YouTube app on your smart TV or streaming device. To do this, find the YouTube app on your device. Most smart TVs have the YouTube app pre-installed and available directly from the home screen. If you don't see the YouTube app, you'll have to download it by going to your device's application store. Keep in mind that YouTube and YouTube TV are two different apps. The YouTube TV app is a paid TV streaming service that includes live TV from more than 100 broadcast, cable, and regional sports networks. This should not be confused with the main YouTube app, which is ad-supported. Both apps are available on streaming devices and smart TVs, so just be sure you're downloading the one that you're looking for. Finally, select the YouTube app and choose Download or Install. The other way to watch YouTube on your TV is by casting from your phone, tablet, or computer. To do this, make sure your mobile device or web browser is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smart TV or streaming device. If you're on a mobile device, open a video in the YouTube app. Next, tap or click the cast icon. If you're on a Chrome web browser, go to the YouTube homepage. Then click the three-dot menu and select Cast. Regardless of where you're casting from, you can then choose your smart TV or streaming device from the list. That will open the video on your TV screen. You can use your TV remote, computer, or a mobile device to control your watch experience. And that's it! Now you're ready to enjoy YouTube on your TV.